Hi, Kim Wilkinson, General Manager of MarineMax in Danvers. And we have an exciting announcement for our customers today. We are going to be carrying the Cruiser Yacht line. This is a US-made product and we're super excited. They offer from a 38-foot day boat up to a 60-foot yacht.
This brand addition is extremely valuable to us, and it should be valuable to you too. Those boats will be rolling in the coming weeks. We'll be planning a ton of events to get you in person and on the water with that collection.
We're really excited about the quality and the product that we put out. We're very excited to have MarineMax on board. You know, you look at the quality of the people that they have as team members, from service and sales, aftermarket parts. I think our product line fits in perfectly with what they have to offer. We're 33 feet to 60 feet. Cruisers Yachts is going to bring to MarineMax quality product, innovative product that's built for certain markets. We have full side windows that go all the way up, and that's really the New England market. There's things that we do and options that we offer that'll be tailored for each market that they have. We're really excited to get the Cruisers Yachts brand into the MarineMax stores on the East Coast. We really want you to stop down, and we're excited to kick off our relationship with MarineMax and Cruisers Yachts.